Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sewing crafts is probably one of the most relaxing and rewarding hobbies you can pick up, offering a creative outlet to express yourself and produce beautiful, one-of-a-kind items. From clothing alterations and repairs to crafting unique home decor and gifts, sewing opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to transform fabric into wearable art and personalized treasures. Whether you're a seasoned stitcher or a complete beginner, there's a sewing project waiting for you, promising hours of creative satisfaction and the joy of making something truly special with your own two hands. Number 5. Vellostar Sewing Kit. It's frustrating when clothes rip or a button falls off. This handy kit makes quick fixes easy, keeping your wardrobe looking its best. Everything you need is right here. Threads, needles, and more. It's the perfect portable solution for small repairs. Whether you're a sewing pro or just starting out, this kit is designed to be simple and user-friendly. It's perfect for small repairs and alterations. Looking for a thoughtful and practical gift? This kit is ideal for anyone who appreciates convenience and creativity. It's perfect for moms, grandmas, and anyone who loves DIY projects. Take it with you wherever you go. This compact kit is perfect for quick fixes at home or on the go, ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected mishaps. What we like? It's compact and has everything you need. If you're always on the go or need a quick fix, this is perfect for you. It's great for small repairs and is easy enough for beginners to use, making it ideal for travel or everyday use. Number 4. Singer ProSeries Bent Scissors. These aren't your average scissors. They're designed for power and precision, making your sewing and crafting easier than ever. With their extra-long 8.5-inch blades, it effortlessly cuts through multiple layers of fabric. Experience the difference of superior length. Built to last, it features heavy-duty construction for tackling even the toughest fabrics. They're ready for any project you throw at them. The ergonomic, rubberized grip provides exceptional comfort and control, even during extended use. Say goodbye to hand fatigue. These blades are tempered and ground on both sides for incredible sharpness and a longer lifespan. Precision cutting, guaranteed. Each pair undergoes individual inspection and hand testing to ensure the highest quality. You can trust in their performance. We stand behind our product. Your satisfaction is guaranteed with our lifetime warranty. Enjoy peace of mind with every cut. What we like? These scissors are built to last and cut through tough fabrics with ease. If you need durable scissors for heavy-duty sewing or crafting, and want a long-term investment, this is the one for you. The lifetime guarantee ensures you'll always have reliable cutting power. What people say? These scissors are the best. They cut easily through thicker fabrics like fleece and denim without any trouble. The accuracy of the cuts is great, clean and precise every time. They're very comfortable to hold and handle. My 12-year-old daughter uses them with no problem, which says a lot about how user-friendly they are. These are great scissors. Nice and heavy and very sharp. Perfect for all my sewing projects. Number 3. Caydo Cross-Stitch Kits. This kit has everything you need to start your cross-stitch journey. It's perfect for beginners and experienced stitchers alike. You'll receive 3 beautiful patterns, embroidery hoops, threads, needles, and even scissors. Everything is neatly packaged for a great experience. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Learn how to handle the floss, follow the pattern, and frame your finished piece. Choose from 3 different floral patterns, flowering shrubs, daisies, and a botanical garden. Each one is ready to be stitched and displayed. Once you've finished stitching, display it in your home. It makes a beautiful addition to any room. It's a thoughtful and unique gift for friends and family. The finished piece is a special, handmade present. The pattern is water-soluble, so keep it away from water until you're finished stitching. What we like? It includes everything you need to start cross-stitching. If you're a beginner or want to try a new craft, this kit provides all the materials and instructions. With 3 different patterns, you have plenty of options to explore your creativity. What people say? Instructions for each type of stitch well explained and fantastic picture of mechanics of easy stitch. Basically dummy-proof. Cloth well constructed. Images on fabric easy to see, great use of each color, images are not faded. Decent embroidery thread included. 3 separate embroidery projects, thread well marked, for each part of pattern, hoops included. Great starter kit. The kit comes with 3 printed patterns with clear instructions on each stitch type, and the colors needed. The thread is separated on numbered cards and is very easy to distinguish. My kit came with 2 needle threaders, multiple embroidery needles and a cute pair of snips as well as 3 different sized embroidery hoops. The patterns are beginner friendly. Comes with everything you need sorted for each embroidery in separate packs. Great colors of thread, great designs. Scissors, needles and thread are included. Number 2. Sanae Ishida Sews, Simple Projects. Welcome to a year of sewing happiness. This book is filled with simple projects to help you live well and improve your sewing skills. Learn to make a simple pouch. It's a great way to start and perfect for beginners. You'll be amazed at how easy it is. Next, we'll create a cozy blanket. This project is perfect for snuggling up on the couch. It's a bit more challenging but very rewarding. Let's make a stylish tote bag. This is a versatile project, great for everyday use. You can customize it to match your style. Sew an adorable stuffed animal to brighten your day. This project is perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your home. It's fun for all ages. Finally, let's create a beautiful pillowcase. It's a simple yet elegant project that will add a touch of sophistication to your bedroom. Enjoy the process. What we like. This book provides a year's worth of simple sewing projects to enhance your well-being. If you enjoy slow living and want to create beautiful things for your home, this book is perfect for you. It's a great way to relax and learn new skills. What people say. The projects are both simple and elegant. The uncomplicated design of the projects included in the book. The fact that the author made them this way feels like a parallel to her simplified life and healthier way of being. Some fun, quick projects. I have made 3 origami pillows, fabulous results, and 1 infinity scarf. Directions could have been streamlined for clarity. Most of the projects and their clean lines appeal to me and I will certainly make more. Number 1. Sewing School Fashion Design. Learn the art of fashion design from the comfort of your own home. It's easier than you think to create a stunning wardrobe. This course teaches you how to design and sew tops, skirts, and shorts. You'll learn to mix and match to create endless outfit combinations. Master various top designs, from simple blouses to stylish shirts. You'll learn professional techniques to ensure a perfect fit and finish. Discover the secrets to creating flattering skirts and shorts in various styles and lengths. It's all about finding what suits you best. With this course, you'll have the skills and confidence to design and sew your dream wardrobe. Unleash your creativity and personal style. Sign up now and begin your journey to becoming a confident fashion designer. Create unique pieces that reflect your personality. What we like. Learn to design and sew your own wardrobe with this comprehensive guide. If you want to create unique and stylish clothing, this book is perfect for you. It teaches you how to mix and match different patterns and styles to create a personalized wardrobe. What people say. It has wonderful, clear and concise instructions with step-by-step photographs of each project. The projects are well thought out and the directions are easy to follow with great success. The patterns at the back of the book. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.